Okay guys, outside the condo that we're staying at over my shoulder, there happens to be a ping pong ball game. We're calling it Jack Ball or Special, baby. So if the ball lands on the card, then you win money, whatever you bet. So when the money's on the Jack and the ball goes on the Jack, it's a Jack Ball or Special, baby. So here's the game. My man Salah betting big. Tape never lies.
Keeping it 100.
Oh, keeping it 100. Perfect. Good content.
Jack Ball is special.
There we go.
It never lies.
Oh, double Jack. I'll take one.
That was gonna be deuces.
I'll take one. Oh, double Jack Baller. Double Jack Baller. That's a double Jack Baller. Balling like a G. San Romeo.